Hey everyone, what's up? It's Steph here, day number 18 of our 21 days to a clean home journey. We're nearing the end and we are still working on those daily focuses as part of a weekly plan. So I love the daily focus because for me, they all represent something that used to totally overwhelm me, like bills on Tuesday, taking care of myself on Thursday, Wednesday, anti-procrastination. I mean, I have a list like this long. So for today, day number 18 on Friday, we are gonna do car and bag day. So head out to your vehicle, take a couple bags, clean out any garbage, clean out any extra stuff, and then we're gonna get into our purse and just take out any stuff that doesn't need to be in there. Receipts, old lipsticks, garbage, and then for me, I'm also gonna do my diaper bag because I'm carrying it around with me everywhere and just make sure that I have what I need in there and it's nice and organized. So doing this a little bit every week just means that we won't have this purse where things are lost or a car that we're embarrassed to have people get into. If you don't have a problem with cluttering your purse or your car, no problem, just cross it out. But if you're like me, you have to tackle this every week or it gets out of control really fast. I'm gonna head out to my car right now, less than 5 minutes, take a couple bags and clear out everything that doesn't need to be in there. Okay, I've got my bag for things that have to go back in the house and my bag for things that just have to go into the garbage. It's a lot of lids and cups and all kinds of things, but getting all that stuff out of there, organized, it doesn't take more than 5 minutes. I'm also going to clean out the back. We have some jackets and stuff back here, and I'm going to leave my golf clubs in hopes that I'll get another round in this summer. Next, I'm gonna go into my purse, pull out some garbage, receipts, stuff like that, and all the garbage out of my diaper bag. There was even a dirty diaper in there, gross. And I'm gonna reload it with some fresh, clean diapers. Okay, so once you get done going through your vehicle and your bag, give it a check. Check off anything else you got done today. Don't worry about it if you weren't perfect. It's about making progress. Let's head over to the weekly cleaning schedule and I'll show you what I fill in. So usually I just put in what I'm gonna do on car and bag day. So I did take the car for a wash this morning and I redid my diaper bag. All done. Thank you so much for joining me on this 21 days to a clean home journey. I know you're going to see a huge difference in your house and in your life. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button to follow along to the end of the series and let me know how you're making out with your progress.